Mailbox Monday, let's freaking go! What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is your favorite YouTuber's least favorite YouTuber. I am Matt. This is Bullman Built RC. Today we are going over all the things that I got from my buddy Logan. Logan decided to get rid of a bunch of stuff. I don't know if he's downsizing. I'm not sure what he's doing, but I got a bunch of things, and then I got a couple other things from Jordan, and then one from our new friend Jeremy. First up, I got a set of axles from Jordan. Not 100% sure exactly what I'm going to do with this, but they will probably go under my new D90 once I explode the axles in about 14.7 minutes. Regular AR-44s, brass knuckles, brass covers, all the jazz. I have no idea if these have aftermarket gears in them, under, over, if they're stock. I'm not sure. I really don't know. I know someone tried to paint the brass red, which is gross, but then it also has like a really rough finish on the brass knuckles. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but they'll probably go under a D90, and I'll probably paint the brass a different color or use my brass black. So I'm not sure. Next, we have a standard VFD with the stubby kit, aluminum standoffs, the aluminum motor plate, and then it has a, I don't know, because this gear is on backwards, so I can't tell. I think this is a 52, I'm not sure. 13 tooth pinion, black jacket motor. This is a 2000 kV. So technically this is a 4S capable motor. I would assume this may have upgraded gears inside just because I know Logan, and he drives maybe a little like I do and wants to do big things. So stubby kit, etc, etc. Super cool. Got the skid and everything like that. Next! Tires. I got some little class 1 crawlers. Stock foams, brand new. Predator, have sparkly jazz all over them. Not sure where that came from or what exactly that is, if that came from his garage or mine. I did spray some silver, which if you don't know, tracks of silver basically makes it look like a stripper exploded inside your painting area. But I got those. No plan for them. Just got them because they were free, cheap. I'm not sure. Anyway, got those. Next! Another set of full-size crawlers. These are 4.75 in the Predator compound. I believe these are stock foams as well. Brand new looking. They do have a little bit of dust on them, but I did wrap them in my new Deluxe wheels. If you've not seen these, Deluxe has these super cool wheels. They are red anodized with like a black splash. I think they're super sick, and I'm not even usually a fan of red, but I got these. I also got a green set, but I put them on here just to see what they look like, and because I kind of need to start consolidating my wheels and my tires, because my wall is slowly creeping this way with tires, and maybe I need to get rid of some, but probably not. Anyway, I got those brand new crawlers in the 4.75. Next, more tires. These are J Concepts Tusks. These have been used at least once, twice, 3 times a lady. It does have dual stage anti-foams in them from Three Brothers. So they're basically just a stock set of Tusks. If you don't know, even though I've discussed it before, these are the leading tire around here that actually do something on the rock we have. We have a lot of really smooth glass-like river rock, especially when it's wet. You can't go anywhere. A G8 just sits there and your truck just does nothing. So we almost always run Predator or Green Compound. Tusks are one of the killers around here. The hunks are not bad either. Predator in a Super Swamper or a Crawler or a KM3, anything like that from Proline is also a really good option as well. These were a good pickup whenever he priced me the whole box at a whole box price, if you know what I mean. Kind of like your mom sells me her whole box. Next! Couldn't do a Mailbox Monday without a box throw. So to kind of break this down quickly for the next part, this is a Brazen Flatline. Brett is actually semi-local to us. Logan bought this. I don't know why he never used it, but I love these things. Carbon fiber, flat skid area, and they work really well, and they weigh absolutely nothing. All my comp trucks are on some sort of Brazen chassis. I'm not sponsored or anything. I just think they work really well, and Brett's a super cool dude. This makes like my fourth flat line, something like that. I think my straight axle Phoenix and my Class 1 and my Class 0 are all on flat lines. My Class 2 back here is on a hard line. Next! Speaking of chassis, I got a set of rock sliders. Not 100% sure exactly what they will go on, but I got those. And then I also got some shock towers. No idea what I'm going to do with these either, but they were in the box, so I got them. Next! F10 portals. I completely forgot these were in the box because I would have taken them and sold them 15 times over the other day at Rocktober, but it is what it is. So, got a set of these. I don't know if they have upgraded gears or not in them. I will have to ask Logan and see if there's an under, over, either one, different portal gears. I'm not sure. But I got another set of axles that I definitely don't need. Next! Electronics. SR 515 and a Reefs 555. The 515, I mean, this receiver looks brand new other than the one little dog hair because he has 3 super cool dogs. And the Reefs 555 looks used, but I mean, you know, the smell test doesn't smell burnt, is what it is. So, got those. Next up is a set of DriveTechs. I cannot remember what size these are. I think they're 106s. They have some heavy ass oil in them. I do know that. Goodness, that's actually very slow. So, heavy oil, real dravs. I sold them these because I am a deluxe dealer, and now I have them back. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I guess I'll put them on something. BTA mount for the F10s. This is the plastic one that comes with the stubby that I got. Also, to go with everything, I got links. So these are just all random links. This is everything except for the panhard. I did not get the panhard bar, which is a little upsetting. Not upsetting, but you know, that sucks. So I got all of those. And then to round it off, I got some little cheapy red Amazon body mounts. These things are actually super useful. And then he gave me about a bazillion freaking body clips, which I'm going to throw in my trail box because I am always losing body clips, or my son or my daughter are always using body clips, and I always am looking for them. So I will put those somewhere where I won't forget them. That way they are in some random spot because my ADHD tells me to put them somewhere, and then I will never find them again, because that's how it works. Last, but certainly not least, as usual, I got a mug from my new friend Jeremy. Jordan met a guy that actually lives right, like I could damn near see his house, which is wild. And I got to know him, and he bought us mugs. So I will let you read what this mug says. Which, you know, basically is true. It is a little small for my coffee needs, but I am definitely going to put it in the house, and I am going to use it because I love both of those things. Yeah. That concludes Mailbox Monday. I thoroughly appreciate you watching. If you are not already, think about becoming a channel member where you get to see videos early and you get to see everything that I have for sale first. You get first dibs, and then it goes to my group. Then it goes out to the public. Speaking of my group, check me out on Facebook groups, and Instagram, Bullman Built RC across the board. If you join the group, make sure to answer the questions. And as long as you're a real person, you will get in. That is all. Stick around for the bloopers, and I will see you later. Bye! Yeah, I like that. What do we want in the background to look cool? Actually, I need to do that last because then I won't get demonetized. So technically, this is a 4A. Yeah. Oh boy. These were a good pickup whenever he put me a whole price. I understand if you don't. Whatever. Actually, I don't even care about that. What the hell? What the hell, Bobby? So, that concludes Mailbox Monday. No, it doesn't. Just joking. Oh, because it goes on the other side of this. Duh.